How to fix the issue of brightness in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Settings app. Use the shortcut key Window plus I. Then after, simply go to System and go to Display. In Display, you will see these two main options for brightness. If you want, you can simply toggle it on according to your desire. After that, go to Start menu and search for Device Manager. Simply go to Display Adapters, double-click on your adapter and click on Update Driver. After that, once you do, you will see these two options. Choose the one which says Browse my computer for drivers. Then after, you can provide the path of your new driver and click on Next. Choose the driver and simply click on Next again. After that, if your problem is still not solved, you can disable the device and then again enable it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.